Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to view your spam page, or how to view your spam files which you get in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application here. I'm signed into my brand new freshly created account, which I've created only for these videos. Well, let's say that I get a lot of spams, but there are some important stuff there, so I want to see all of my spams, so I can select those. How can I do that? Well, what you're gonna do is pretty simple. Click on these three lines in the top left corner of your phone. After that, you have the fifth option called spam. You just have to click on that, and here will appear all of your spam files. At least the system gets it as spam, but you can select from these. I don't have many here because I said this account is brand new, but if you have any, they will all appear here. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.